Yes, inflatables! Inflatables for everyone! Good morning. I've had my breakfast. I had breakfast in the hotel, but we have come to the wall, which is amazing. And Sherry's actually excited because she's getting almond milk. Is it almond milk?
I'm excited.
She can't have milk because she's weird.
Yeah, I'm a milk tart.
We go into the water park today. Me and Cam managed to get a really good deal today.
Pretty much. That's why I like, if you watch
350 bars to get in, 70 bar per person for a round trip, so that's really cheap. I'm going up the road after my coffee. Again, yes, I've got coffee, to get some more SD cards because I'm running out of memory. My GoPro's run out, this will run out soon, and everybody's looking at me as if to say, what?
I'm so used to it by now, like it's not even weird anymore.
It was weird when I first started. I was like,
It's nice, you've always got someone to talk to.
it is. I can tell you all about my feelings.
Oh, you soppy little Jay.
So soppy. So yeah, that's the plan for today.
Okay, so the
And
nice of
when my coffee comes, I will show you my coffee because it sounds amazing. My mocha frappe's just turned up and I think I'm in love.
I might actually just like eat it before you look.
No. It looks like I'm giving it a blowing.
It looks like the straw's made out of chocolate.
So yours? You not have food?
It's not the best I've had, but it is the second best I've had as well in this whole trip so far. It's good.
It's good.
Where was the best?
The best was when we was in Vietnam in the hotel and I kept going back to the Walkers.
Yeah, the one with the coffee shop attached to
Yeah.
it.
And I kept playing with the little kids.
Yeah.
In a good way, not in a bad way. Don't judge me. Okay, so I got my SD card. I thought I needed 2, but I've got like so much space left on my phone, it's unbelievable. So yes, I've got memory from my GoPro now. So within the plaza, it's like a big shopping mall really, not really much to see, but because you haven't really seen much of Chiang Mai, let's have a little walk back. So next stop is hotel, change into our swimming costume, and then head to the water park. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh dear, I hope Sherry feels better. She's lactose intolerant and she had some milk. So she has got a bit of a bad stomach. It wasn't her fault, she did ask for almond milk and they gave her extra. And she had it. She didn't know. And look, there goes a tuk-tuk. So I thought we was going back to Bangkok for 2 days. It's not, it's 1 day, which is okay. We've got a big night out tonight, which means we can sleep on the 10-hour bus ride home tomorrow, which is, I'm not looking forward to. So I probably won't vlog tomorrow because we're not going to be doing anything. It's just traveling on a bus for 10 hours. I'm really happy, really happy. I'm conserving my money. I think tonight's going to be a bit of a messy one because I haven't really been out with this group yet on a night out. Purely for the fact because I was tired from the Vietnam trip, like literally coming straight from Vietnam to Thailand, drinking heavily on that trip. But tonight I'm going to have a good time. I'm definitely going out tonight, definitely going to have some fun. So yes, so this will be sign off for now, and I will come back when we are on the way to the water park. Hi guys, so we are on our way to the I'm gonna not vlog on my phone because if I drop this in the water I'm lost. I've got my GoPro, and again we're in this bus with no door.
I'm drying my swimming costume.
She's drying her swimming costume. She had a little bit of the poos earlier on, so we're here. I am so excited, look at this. And it's empty. It's empty for us. Woo!
Inflatables for everyone.
Yes, inflatables. Inflatables for everyone. I'm not going to take my phone in there. My GoPro will be going in there. I'm going to go and get changed.
Bargain!
Bargain! Right, they tried taking my water. I hid.
I hid mine.
Yeah, I hid mine. I've still got it. I'm not paying for their water. Their water's going to be fortunate. Like, I'm so excited about taking my GoPro in there. Look at these lazy bastards. Oh my god, so lazy. We did good, Cam. Woo! Oh. Okay, so I bought an SD card today and my GoPro just doesn't like it and I couldn't get any footage of the water park and I'm gutted. We're leaving now. I am absolutely gutted that I couldn't get any footage of the water park. So I'm going to combine this vlog with my next vlog purely for the fact because I didn't get any footage or photos. I'm gutted. Generally gutted today. We're back in Bangkok, so today we're going to go around and do a bit of shopping. I need to find an SD card, so I got done hard the other day with a faulty SD card. So I'm going to go to a proper shop and buy one. Because we're leaving, we've got a 16-hour travel day tonight, starting at 9. Not looking forward to it. Are you?
Absolutely not. We're going to go to 7-Eleven and stock up on all the snacks.
Yes, 7-Eleven, snacks. I need to buy...
Download movies.
Movies, I downloaded some movies last night. Oh, we're sorting out the money. I've already paid, I'm happy.
That's mine.
I think I paid. No, I did pay. 100. I paid 100 for my mocha. So yeah, let's go and have a look at Bangkok. So, the girls are going shopping.
Yeah.
Me and Luke are going to get our hair cut.
I think we quite like the phone.
Thank you. That was nice. Normally we struggle to cross the roads. So yeah, this is Bangkok. And it's very warm. So yeah, so the girls are going to go shopping. They're going to keep an eye out for an SD card for me. Anywhere where they sell that looks reputable. I can't pronounce it. But anywhere that looks decent enough that the SD card is going to work. Yeah?
We all know where that is.
Cool, and don't forget, baby, you can go for me there.
We're all discussing where we're going to go.
12, the one.
See it up as well. Don't get a stupid haircut.
Yes,
Yeah, stupid haircut.
you need to get...
Get jagged lines.
Yes, we're going to get mullets.
They can't make you correct. They can't make you correct. I used to have a mullet at school.
Did you? I used to have curtains. I was in the curtain age.
The curtain age.
Oh, I looked awful.
That's terrible.
Okay guys, I'm not showing you what I look like just yet. But I've had a bit of a trim. So, what do you think? Luke's new haircut, my new trim. I'm holding it up because the double chin. Gotta hide this bad boy. But
I've heard it's better to put your chin down rather than
if I do this, it's like...
No, you don't do that.
Yeah, so I've had a clean shave. It's been about 5-6 years since I've had a full clean shave. I feel so young. Although the grey hair on the floor
Bit of a downer.
is a bit of a downer. There was a lot of grey hair. So let's go and find the girls and see what they think of our new style. Nice clean shave.
Did you have your beard done as well?
So young.
You look great.
Hello,
Let's say hello to YouTube.
hello, chip chip tuk tuk.
Cheap cheap tot tot. We're gonna go and get a drink at the one.
No, because we met one meeting there so that we had a central meeting point.
Oh, we thought we were gonna get a drink.
How's the shopping
Do
trip
you
gone?
want the mat?
So I've just bought a t-shirt for 100 baht at the same shop. See?
Yeah.
Very lovely people. They tried taking my phone. They're not having it. Thank you very much. Bye. 100 baht. T-shirt. Happy days. Got a t-shirt for the full moon party. It's got on. Was it? I'm not perfect, but I'm limited edition. Mission accomplished. Got my SD card, which now works.
Ah.
Okay, we've now lost Shelly and Luke. They don't want to hang with us anymore. So I paid 1,000 baht, which is like 25 quid for an SD card, which is what you expect. I tried buying cheap the other day and it's my fault it didn't work, so... But it works on my phone, which I don't get. I don't get that. But yeah, I've now literally got to watch what I spend. SD card found.
Earring found.
So we've come on to Mackie D's and they do triple cheeseburgers. The McDonald's here is a lot different than what ours is. Like, look at this, look. I get excited over small things, like really excited. Look how you dispense a straw. Hi guys, yes, I'm looking young. I know you've already seen it.
Fly.
While I've been away, I've been looking for a tattoo to remember the whole trip. And I saw one the other day. It was an elephant in the shape of Thailand, but I don't just want Thailand on my body because I'm doing Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia. I want something that's going to be memorable for the whole trip. And I've come to the conclusion that the geckos are everywhere. So I'm tempted to get a gecko tattoo. What do you reckon?
I think that's a great idea.
I'm going to check on the internet now. I've seen one. It was nice, but not what I'm looking for. It's got to be something really special. The girls are getting their hair braided. We're coming here to maybe
I'm a
get...
girl.
Okay. The lady boy's here. So yeah, so we're gonna have, and then we're gonna go to the park.
The what?
We're going to the park.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lufini Park.
Yes, we're going to the park. We're gonna get some more bands made, especially for us. So we've got to chill out for an hour, then we're gonna go to the park and hopefully get a tuk-tuk.
Maybe.
Sherry doesn't like the
I
tuk-tuks.
don't want to die.
I like the tuk-tuks, they're fun. And I haven't really shown you a tuk-tuk on camera yet.
Yeah, we're going to get to and then we're going to go to the Unicorn Cafe.
Yes, the Unicorn Cafe. We've heard so much about it, so we're going to go down.
Babe, I've seen you in the videos.
So I'll see you in a bit. I'm going to have a beer, I think. Hi guys. I'm really gutted. I had the microphone in and I don't think I pushed it all the way in, so there's no sound on at least 4 videos that I filmed on my phone. But you didn't really miss much. We didn't go to the park. And we didn't go to the Unicorn Cafe because 1, it was absolutely buckling it down, and 2, we didn't have time. We ran out of time to go there. It was like an hour journey on a tuk-tuk, so we didn't go. But I did get the tattoo. Do you want to see? There you go. I got the tattoo. And it means it's not just a tattoo, it generally means a lot to me. It means this whole trip, the whole experience, meeting everyone, becoming close with everyone. It's like this group as well though. I know the other day I had a little bit of a moan about the group. And they are the lovely people, they really are all really, really lovely people. And I'm starting to, I suppose, gel now more with them, and they're really cool. They are really, really cool people, really lovely people. But now we've got a 16-hour trip, 10 hours on an overnight bus. Then we've got to get a ferry, and then we hit the islands. And I found out today I've grossly overspent today. So I've now just got to watch what I spend. A lot of what I spend. I've got to be careful because I can't overspend. But still, I've not overspent for Cambodia. I've overspent for here in Thailand, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm having the time of my life. I'm loving it. So this is the end of the vlog for today. It depends what I do tomorrow, whether I vlog or not, because it is going to be a long day. Well, 16 hours travelling now. If I vlog, I vlog. If I don't, I apologise. It's just going to be a long trip. But it's going to be worth it. It's definitely going to be worth it. But so, thank you for watching. Thank you for following me. And yeah, love my new tattoo. This one means a lot to me. Little gecko, little Gary that we met in Vietnam. Big Gaza that we met the other day on the hill trek. But there's geckos everywhere, so why not get a gecko? So yeah, this is me signing off for tonight. See you on the next one.